Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize sales strategies with Facebook. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by identifying your target audience. Research their preferences, interests, and behaviors on Facebook. Create a dedicated business page if you haven't already. Ensure your page is fully. Fill in all relevant information in your profile, including contact details and a clear description of your business. Utilize Facebook's Audience Insights tool to gain a deeper understanding of your audience demographics. Set specific sales goals that you want to achieve through Facebook. Develop engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Incorporate high-quality images and videos to capture attention. Consider using Facebook Live to showcase products or services in real time. Post consistently to keep your audience engaged and informed. Experiment with different types of content, such as polls, quizzes, and stories. Utilize Facebook Ads Manager to create targeted ad campaigns. Define your campaign objectives clearly, such as increasing website traffic or boosting engagement. Use A/B testing to determine which ads perform the best. Monitor your ad performance regularly through analytics. Adjust your strategy based on which ads yield the highest return on investment. Engage actively with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Encourage user-generated content to build community around your brand. Leverage Facebook groups related to your industry for additional exposure. Consider collaborating with influencers who can promote your products to their audience. Host contests or giveaways to increase visibility and engagement. Make use of Facebook's Shop feature if you sell physical products. Regularly analyze your insights to understand what works and what doesn't. Revise your strategies based on performance data to continually improve your results. Stay updated on Facebook's algorithm changes and adapt your approach accordingly. With these steps, you're on your way to optimizing your sales strategies efficiently on Facebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.